Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will learn 6 Amharic words start with the letter Le and 7 additional letters start with Le. Totally we'll learn 13 Amharic words, so make sure to watch this video till the end, alright? Don't forget to repeat after me and don't forget to pay more attention to the phrases and sentences. Words start with Le, Lelit. ሌሊት ሚንስ ናይት። ሌሊት ሌሊት ጅቦች ይጮሃሉ። ሌሊት ሌሊት ጅቦች ይጮሃሉ። ኤቭሪ ናይት ላይናስ ሃውል ሃውል። ቱ ሌባ ሌባ ኢዝ ቲፍ ሌባ። ሌባው ገንዘቡን ዘርፎ ጠፋ። ሌባው ገንዘቡን ዘርፎ ጠፋ። ሌባው ገንዘቡን ዘርፎ ጠፋ። ሌባው ገንዘቡን ዘርፎ ጠፋ። The thief robbed the money and disappeared. ሌላ 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 ሚንስ አዘር ኦር አናዘር። ሌላ መጽሐፍ ስጠኝ፣ ሌላ መጽሐፍ ስጠኝ። ጊቭ ሚ አናዘር ቡክ። ሌሎች ሌሎች ኢዝ ኤ ፕሉራል ፎርም ኦፍ ሌላ። ሌሎች ሌሎች አዘርስ። ሌሎች ሰዎችም መጡ፣ ሌሎች ሰዎችም መጡ። አዘር ፒፕል ኦልሶ ኬም። ሌላው 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 ሚንስ the other one, the rest of something። ሌላውን ስራ ነገ እንሰራዋለን። ሌላውን ስራ ነገ እንሰራዋለን። ሌላውን ስራ ነገ እንሰራዋለን means we will do the rest of the work or we will do the other work tomorrow። ነገ means tomorrow። እሺ ሌብነት 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 means theft or stealing። ሌብነት አጸያፊ ባህሪ ነው። ሌብነት አጸያፊ ባህሪ ነው። ሌብነት አጸያፊ ባህሪ ነው means theft is an abominable crime። Now let us learn where to start with l, the sixth letter. ልምምድ, this is very common word, especially in English. Practice is very common, yeah? The word ልምምድ is also common in Amharic. ልምምድ, there is no vowel letter, only consonant, so write the sixth letter. So ልምምድ means practice or exercise. አማርኛ ለመልመድ ሁልጊዜ ልምምድ ማድረግ አለብህ። አማርኛ ለመልመድ ሁልጊዜ ልምምድ ማድረግ አለብህ. You have to practice always to be able to speak Amharic, alright? To get used to Amharic, you have to always practice. Limd, limd. This one is ልምምድ, by the way. This is limd. There is only one n here. Limd is experience. እሱ በዚህ ስራ የረጅም ጊዜ ልምድ አለው። እሱ በዚህ ስራ የረጅም ጊዜ ልምድ አለው። Are you repeating after me? Very good. እሱ በዚህ ስራ የረጅም ጊዜ ልምድ አለው። እሱ በዚህ ስራ የረጅም ጊዜ ልምድ አለው። He has a long time of experience in this work or in this field. ልማድ ልማድ is habit, custom. ልምምድ ልምድ ልማድ። ሲናገሩ እየጮሁ መናገር መጥፎ ልማድ ነው። ሲናገሩ እየጮሁ መናገር መጥፎ ልማድ ነው። It is a bad habit to shout while speaking. ልብ ልብ is heart. ልብ ልብ ብለህ ስማኝ። ልብ ብለህ ስማኝ means listen to me carefully. ልጅ ልጅ is child, as you know. ልጅ child, son, daughter. alright. ልጄ ትምህርት ቤት ሄደ። ልጄ ትምህርት ቤት ሄደ። ልጄ ትምህርት ቤት ሄደ. my son went to school. ልብስ 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 clothes, garment. አዲስ ልብስ ገዛው። አዲስ ልብስ ገዛው። አዲስ ልብስ ገዛ። አዲስ ልብስ ገዛ means I bought a new clothes. ልማት 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 development. አገሪቱ ልማት ላይ ነች። አገሪቱ ልማት ላይ ነች። አገሪቱ ልማት ላይ ነች means the country is in development. Our country is in development. So that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it. And also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get more Amharic lessons like this one. And also you can visit my website easyamharic.com to learn Amharic there. There is a lot of Amharic lessons, like from starting Amharic Fidel to grammar rules and daily conversational lessons. Also you can learn for free on easyamharic.com. So see you in the next video with the letter Lo, the sixth letter of the L family. If you want to learn Amharic step by step with me live, you can contact me through my WhatsApp address here. If you prefer Telegram, I am available there too. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching till the end. Maybe we will meet ማክሰኞ. ማክሰኞ is Tuesday, alright?